The purpose of this the tool is for the data cleansing, because whenever we have to deal with a large volume of data, we cannot pull all the data on the BI tool on the reports, because the report performance will be completely vanish out. So it is better to advise to go for some data preparation. And today's data is huge. Like if you go for the social media or the any kind of such a huge volume of retail data, it's always the data volume is too big. It's like impossible to handle such volume of data in the BI tool. So that's why these tools are introduced to clean the data, and based on our requirement, we create the mart, we create the department of the data, segregate the data, we do some calculations, and produce the output file. So output file is like such a moderated way based on our business requirement or business or specific about the need. They manipulate maybe the concatenation, the split the data, pivot the columns, or any kind of things. And sometimes what happens, there are multiple data sources. Like one data is coming from the Excel file, another data is coming from the Oracle or maybe the SQL Server. So the challenge is to connect with the multiple sources in the BI tool is very challenging. But in case of the data prepping tool, you can easily manage that. So this is the like whole picture why the Alteryx or such tool are coming into the scenario, and these are in the huge demand. Like in each and every organization, even the Microsoft also, like they have the SSRS, SSIS. So they are doing also the same kind of thing through their ETL process. Data cleaning as well as the data manipulation is the most like achievement of this tool, and this is the most like tedious as well as the time consuming task.
Mm,
So
I know.
that's why the Ultrix introduced, and these kind of cleaning work can be very easily managed by the Ultrix. So people are getting confused little bit, like what exactly the Ultrix is like. Is there any specific? So it can be done. It can be do like data cleaning, as well as it work as a self service analytical tool as well. It do the data blending also. Data blending is a like terminology. Blending the data means if you have the multiple data source and you want to take one column from the one data source like Oracle data source, one column you want to take from the SQL Server database, another column you want to take from the like Excel sheet or the spreadsheet. So these are the like one column you want to pick, and you don't want to join, because if you put the join, there's a lot of data operations that will happen. So data blending, like you can put all these three, four, five files for the data source together, and it tweak the data. You can filter out the data as a left outer join, because data blending is a concept like a left outer join. So it will pick the data one by one and append together. So one by one you can add, and it is not impacting on the like the whole like the joining process. So this is like a data blending, and this is very good tool in terms of that. It has all the feature of ETL like extraction, transformation, and load. So as you can see, what are you there?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so you can see this is a 2021.3, and this is our window. Like we can see the multiple options are there. Like the browse is a like the file or the content where we want the input data we can see, and the output data, text input, data cleansing, filters, formula. So these are the samples. You can take the samples, select, sort. So these are the options which are available, join, union, and one by one, with a small workflow, we will explore, and then we will build up a complex, I would say not complex, systematic, a little bit workflow. So these are the files you can see by default. The new workflow, whenever you go for this, open workflow for the existing, open workflow group if there are multiple workflow are together, create workflow group. First you need to create, then you can open obviously, and the print also you can take a print out. So these are the pan. I would say these are the portlets are there where we can see the workflow configuration at the top. If you click over here, It's like you can stable it out under the canvas, because these are the canvas area where you play, where you design the like, which is mentioned like drop tools here. This is the canvas area. So layout direction, you can define annotations are there, connection progress, and next tab is the workflow. So these are the different tabs, and one by one we will use and explore accordingly.
Very
So
good.
yeah, so runtime, as I mentioned, if you can recall, like for the optimization. So whenever we develop some workflow here, we can see the, like, the